Hello friends, and welcome to Isabel's Toddlers channel. Have you ever wished you could live forever? Well, believe it or not, in the depths of the ocean, there is a tiny creature that comes incredibly close to doing just that. It's called the immortal jellyfish. And while it may not look like much smaller than your fingernail, and almost see-through, this jellyfish has one of the most fascinating secrets in the entire animal kingdom. Unlike us humans, who grow older with time, the immortal jellyfish has figured out a trick of nature that lets it turn back the clock on its own life. Imagine being able to grow up, get older, and then one day decide to become young again, starting your life all over. That is exactly what this jellyfish can do, and it's the reason scientists call it immortal. So, how does it work? When most animals get injured, stressed, or simply reach the end of their natural lifespan, their bodies eventually shut down. But the immortal jellyfish doesn't give up so easily. Instead, when it's under threat, it begins a magical transformation. Its body cells actually change back into a younger state, just like pressing the reset button on a video game. It transforms from its adult stage, called a medusa, back into its baby stage, called a polyp. From there, it can grow into an adult again, only to repeat the cycle as many times as it needs. It's like having infinite lives. And for a creature so tiny, that's a superpower nature rarely gives away. Now, does that mean the immortal jellyfish can literally live forever? Not exactly. Even though it can reverse aging, it can still be eaten by bigger fish, swept away by storms, or caught in pollution. So it's not completely indestructible. But in terms of biology, it's the only known creature that has the potential to keep avoiding death through this reset trick. And that makes it incredibly special. Imagine if humans could copy this ability. We might never have wrinkles. We could avoid many diseases, and we'd never have to say goodbye to our youth. Of course, our lives might also get very complicated if nobody ever aged, but it's still a fascinating idea to think about. Scientists are especially excited about the immortal jellyfish, because it might hold clues about aging. Researchers study how its cells are able to change direction, going from old to young, something that in almost every other living being is impossible. If we understood this process better, it might help humans learn how to slow down aging, or even repair damaged cells in our bodies. It's like this jellyfish holds a hidden treasure map for science, and we're just beginning to uncover the secrets. What's also fun is that this creature isn't new. It has been around for millions of years. Yet it's so small and delicate that for a long time, hardly anyone knew about it. It wasn't until the 1990s that scientists started paying closer attention. And ever since, it has been capturing imaginations all over the world. The idea that such a tiny, almost invisible creature could hold the key to something as big as eternal life makes it sound like it belongs in a fairy tale. But it's real, and it's living in oceans all around the globe right now. The immortal jellyfish is also a reminder that the ocean is still full of mysteries. Even though humans have explored space and built incredible technologies, there are countless species in the sea that we know very little about. Some may even have abilities we can't imagine yet. And who knows, maybe out there in the deep sea, there are more creatures with tricks like the immortal jellyfish waiting to be discovered. So, next time you think about superpowers, remember that one of the coolest abilities ever doesn't belong to superheroes or fantasy characters. It belongs to a jellyfish, so tiny you could almost miss it. Yet, in its own quiet way, it has conquered one of the biggest challenges of life, growing old. Whether or not it truly lives forever, the immortal jellyfish shows us how strange, wonderful, and creative nature can be. And maybe that's the biggest lesson. Sometimes the most extraordinary secrets aren't found in castles or treasure chests, but in the smallest and most unexpected places, like a jellyfish drifting through the ocean waves. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more. I'll see you for the next story. Bye. Bye.